Sir, yung reciprocal access agreement with Japan, may promise na, may commitment na napipirmahan within the year. So has it been discussed with you by the President po? Klaro ba ito na ipararatify sa Senate?
It was
O
discussed
executive?
during the visit of Prime Minister Kishida. And I'm sorry, I don't have much information about it. But general lang yung na-discuss sa amin. And then the embassy and then the Department of Foreign Affairs committed to us na they will get back to us. Siguro we'll call them later after this and ask for updates, and then we'll get back to you.
Pero sir, sa inyo ho ba, dapat itong ituring na treaty na ipararatify sa inyo o sasapat ito na executive agreement?
Yeah, it is. It will become a treaty and has to go through the Senate and should be ratified, no, for it to take effect. Again, naalala ko lang kasi yung gentleman's agreement, di ba? I mean, parang if you are on the other side of the fence, di ba? Will you actually agree with it, di ba? Na walang kahit na ano, hindi binding, wala kang pinanghahawakan na kahit na ano, and yet sasabihin mo dapat i-implement and i-require mo ang ating bansa. It's just a laughable matter on the part of this bullying country.
So sir, sinabi na ho ng Malacanang sa inyo o relayed na sa inyo na ito ay ituturing na treaty that will be ratified by the Senate?
Yeah, it is.
Treaty,
Yes,
okay.
it is. Yes,
Aha.
we got that from the executive. Yes.
And target, sir, within the year, yung ratification.
Yeah, within the year, definitely. Akala ko within the hopefully before we take another break before SONA. Kasi again, the ball is not in our hands. Nasa executive. Opo.